Hello. Welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee. How y'all doing? How y'all living? How y'all feeling? So today I am bringing you guys a week's worth of smoothies. These are some of my favorite smoothie recipes. Honestly, I have a ton of different recipes that I do, but here are 5 different smoothie recipes. So I do Instagram videos all the time when I'm making them. So make sure you guys follow me at ReneeCB13 on Instagram and Twitter as well. I definitely post a lot of my recipes on there. I have a whole smoothies highlights as well and I come up with different stuff. I look on Pinterest. So anyways, this is 5 different smoothies recipes and I hope you guys enjoy. Leave your comments down below of what your favorite smoothie recipes are. These bangs is looking crazy today. It needs to be washed, so they looking a little greasy. Anyways, though, don't focus on that too much. Just enjoy the video, and I'm doing a voiceover, so I hope you guys don't mind. And give me your feedback to what your favorite smoothie recipes are, and I'll maybe do a part 2 if you guys like. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye. All right, y'all, let's get into the first smoothie. So this one is kind of like a green smoothie almost, but it don't got that many greens in it. But I started my base as strawberries, and I do prefer to use frozen fruit just so I don't have to use ice. And then also it doesn't water down the smoothie. So I start with strawberries, then some frozen blueberries, and then I'm coming in with a good size handful of spinach. And then I'm topping it off. Oh, I'm using some vanilla yogurt. This is just some from the grocery store. It's the Mountain High brand. This one's pretty good. And then, so I put a big scoop of that in there. And then I'm going to top it all off with some almond milk. So the almond milk I'm going to be using is the Simply brand of almond milk, which is actually new. This was my first time trying it, and I mean, I think it tastes pretty good. I mean, it's not like super sweet necessarily, even though it's vanilla, but it's still pretty good. I would get it again, I guess. And then I'm going to blend it all up. The type of blender I have is the Ninja. This Ninja came with two serving size cups that you can blend with, and also like a regular size blender that you kind of see in the background back there. But I personally just use this one. So this is this smoothie. I don't know what it's called, but I like it. You don't taste too much of the greens. All right, so here's the next day. I'm starting off with a base of strawberries again, and then some blueberries. This one I call my mango berry smoothie. So I'm using some strawberries, some blueberries, and then of course the mango. And if I didn't say it already, I will have all the recipes listed down below. There's not going to be any specific measurements. You guys can kind of just see what I'm doing here. Using some almond milk again, and then I'm actually going to use this blueberry single size yogurt or single serving yogurt from Trader Joe's for this one. I like using yogurt in my smoothies sometimes because it just makes it really creamy and good. So yeah, and this is what this one looks like, this pretty color. Sometimes I throw some raspberry in here too, but I didn't have any more raspberries. All right, next day I got my brother on the camera, so he was helping me record. But I call this my banana bread smoothie. This one is so good, and it's really filling because I actually use a pack of brown sugar maple oatmeal. And then I go in with a whole banana. As y'all see, this banana is very ripe, so it's going to be very sweet. I do usually try to use frozen banana, but I didn't have it frozen this time. So I'm just using a fresh banana. After the banana, I'm going to go in with a good amount of cinnamon because, I don't know, it just gives it a whole new flavor and it's super good. I use a good amount, so use as much cinnamon as you like. And then just topping that off with some more almond milk, of course. As y'all can see, I've been using this almond milk every day, so it's decent. It's decent. I think my favorite almond milk is the one from Trader Joe's, and then the Almond Breeze, which you'll see later I'm using actually when I run out of this one. Just giving it a good shake. Since I used oatmeal, I don't want anything to be sticking at the bottom. And then we just blend up. This one, it's not as thick just because the banana was not frozen, but as you can see, it's very creamy because of that banana. It's just not as thick because it wasn't frozen, but that's okay, and I didn't have any ice. It kind of looks kind of gross from this angle, but honestly, it's so good. All right, this next smoothie I call my golden drink smoothie, my golden smoothie. I honestly kind of copied this from Starbucks, their golden drink. So I'm going to start with some mango. This is probably one of my favorite ones. And then I'm going to go in with some pineapple. I know it kind of all looks the same because that golden color, but it's super good. I promise it's mango, then pineapple. And then I got these cool little ginger cubes from Trader Joe's. So I just pop one of those out. And trust me, one is enough because you don't want your drink to be too spicy. Two, I can do a little bit sometimes. And then going to use some turmeric powder on here. You can also use fresh turmeric root if you have that. And then some honey to kind of sweeten it up just a little bit because the bitterness from the citrus of the pineapple and the ginger and turmeric. So a little bit of that. And usually I do use coconut milk with this one, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using the rest of this almond milk. And honestly, it was still good, but I do think I still prefer the coconut milk. And like I said, this is one of my favorite ones. I make this one so much, and I feel really healthy after I drink it because ginger and turmeric are really good for the body. So look it up. I ain't no dietitian or nutritionist, so don't come for me. And then I'm going to just pour it in my little cup. This one is so bomb. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to make my blueberry muffin smoothie. So good. This one, you literally need 3 ingredients. So you're going to use another maple brown sugar oatmeal packet. You can also use just a regular scoop of oatmeal with no flavor and just add your own cinnamon to it or brown sugar. We're going to use some frozen blueberries. And then I ran out of the other almond milk, as you guys can see. So I'm just using this Almond Breeze, which is one of my favorite brands of almond milk. I like the vanilla, the sweetened kind, and the unsweetened. Honestly, it just depends on how healthy I'm trying to be that week. But yeah, this is my last smoothie of the week that I'm making. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, I will have everything listed down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ReneeCB13. And I will catch you guys in a later one. I hope you enjoyed. Share your favorite smoothie recipes below. Bye.